Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocco here, and in today's video we'll be talking about Ripple's partnership with SBI Holdings. So guys, previously I have made a video about it and talked about the positives and the potential for this partnership for Ripple. So guys, in this video I'll give you guys an update and what's been going on with Ripple's price and what's going on with this partnership. So previously I talked about the chairman Kitao, talked about Ripple being the kind of the best cryptocurrency and the next global standard of cryptocurrency and money, and talked really positively about Ripple. It said that it's the only XRP is the only tool with battle tested solution that can help augment banking transactions and operations, and SBI guys is massive around Asia. So guys, it's a really positive news for Ripple. So guys, Ripple is up 6% after the SBI promotion and adoption. So since that video there's been more positive news that's come out. This news is up to date 3rd of August guys, and although there's been a downturn on the cryptocurrency market, Ripple's probably one of the better ones. As you guys can see, there's been 3%, 7, 8% decreases in big cryptocurrencies, guys. But Ripple has gone up. As you can see, there's been a big price jump. So the main reason for that was, guys, Ripple and XRP is different. XRP is the token, and a lot of services you can use from Ripple do not use XRP. But there was a news that came out that SBI is testing Ripple's X Rapids product, which actually does use XRP. So this is really massive news for Ripple XRP guys, XRP token, because they're different. I use them interchangeably guys for ease of explanation, but XRP is different to Ripple. So guys, in previous partnerships guys, Ripple's other products were used which did not use XRP. This partnership is using XRP, and this was the main reason for the price increasing. If X Rapid is being used guys, this is potentially huge news for Ripple and XRP holders guys. This is massive for XRP, because you can imagine the volume and how much XRP will get used, and the potential and the demand for XRP. X Rapids claims to save 40 to 70% on cross-border fees, and settlement times are in minutes instead of days. They've got potential in Japan, Korea. SBI Holdings financial report was released 31st of July, generating some even more insights of what can happen. I recommend you guys reading this. And arguably the biggest news from this report is the Western Union, MoneyGram, Cambridge FX are promoting XRP for remittances, and I can't seem to pronounce that word today. This will provide huge exposure again. So it's just good news for Ripple all around. There's been some promotion of Ripple as well for XRP, which is all good news. And although Coinbase keeps ignoring Ripple and there is some lawsuits that's going on, if these kind of partnerships get made where XRP is used, not just Ripple, XRP gets used, this is potentially massive for Ripple. And SBI Remit launched the first remittance service using X Current with Thailand. So even if they use other Ripple products, you can slowly get them into Ripple and get them to use XRP in the future. So guys, this is massive news for Ripple, and this, as you can see, even in this downturn market, Ripple's up almost 6.87%. and this news has been covered massively guys. It's talked about in different articles in cryptocurrency, because a lot of Ripple people on YouTube and social media is not looking at it massively, because they seem to think any partnership is good, but the magnitude of this partnership is way bigger than any other partnership. But we shouldn't get carried away, because we're still in a downturn market. But as you guys can see, the volume and the potential for Ripple, it is really good guys. It is really massive. A move of this scale would infuse some much needed liquidity into the X Rapids and Ripple net ecosystem for investors. Higher volume means more demand with fairly constant supply might equate to price growth. Market movement of the coin definitely needs to be looked out for. And it's not just that news guys. Japan's SBI Group is trying to launch derivatives, and if Ripple has a great partnership with SBI Group, when the derivative gets launched, it will massively help Ripple. So it just shows the magnitude of this partnership. People are not really understanding to the extent of it. So Ripple having partnership with SBI will definitely benefit from this derivatives market that Ripple's partner SBI is trying to get into. So as I've said guys, we're still in a massive downturn market. So I'm not saying buy Ripple as much as you can. You can dollar cost average in and do your own research before buying in, but we need to be careful guys. guys. The support that we've got around not 42 to 43 cents around there is, if we break that, guys, it's going to be kind of bloodbath, guys. It's not great if we break that. We have to stay above it, and we need to try and break through that resistance. Some of the key talking points facing resistance, about 45 cents, which I just talked about. There is a short-term bearish trend line forming with resistance at 0.446 on the 2-hour chart. I don't look too much into that. The pair has to remain above 0.425. This is really key support level. We have to be above that, which is marked in the green box. However, the price faded a solid resistance near 0.46 levels. Moreover, the price failed to settle above, so we were hoping it settled above there, guys. That would be a bullish signal. More importantly, there was no complete test of 32 Fibonacci level, and the price decline and move back below the 0.4 level. It seems like there is a short-term bearish trend, guys, as it said before. And above the trend line, 100-hour slow moving average is positioned 0.455. Therefore, there are many barriers formed for buyers near the 0.45 levels. If we can break through that, there's so many barriers. But I was hoping positive news like this, and if Bitcoin helped us out, because if Bitcoin is down, guys, it's difficult for other coins to go up, because Bitcoin is still the king. I have made videos previously that is Ripple successfully freeing up or breaking away from Bitcoin, where I've talked about this. Again, that video didn't really get many views because it's really in-depth, over 20-minute video. But that's what we need. We need Ripple or a cryptocurrency to break away from Bitcoin and do their own thing. Maybe I'll make another future video, but if Ripple can do that, and with more adoption, more usage, Ripple could potentially have a massive future, guys. Again, don't invest all your money on Ripple because of this video. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing, but I'm just sharing some of the news for Ripple, and this is actually positive for not just for Ripple, for cryptocurrency, because the cryptocurrency XRP is being used. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have enjoyed it, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I also do Litecoin and cryptocurrency giveaways. If you want to win half a Litecoin, scroll down, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button, leave your Litecoin addresses below, and you will win some Litecoin hopefully in my next giveaway. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.